Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the mouthpiece off and exposing the neck tenon. This gives you clear access. Once the mouthpiece is removed, use a cork puller or 300-400 grit sandpaper to remove old cork, working with the grain so you don't gouge wood. Make sure to clean the tenon with a bit of alcohol on a lint-free cloth. Allow it to dry completely. This prevents glue failure later and ensures the new cork seats flush and straight. Now you pick a pre-shaped cork or cut a strip to match the tenon's circumference. Aim for 1 to 2 millimeters of compression so the mouthpiece fits snug but removable. Spread a thin, even layer of contact cement or the recommended instrument glue, not too much, and slide the cork into place while rotating slightly to seat it. Once it's aligned straight, secure with soft tape or a cloth wrap as a clamp. This ensures an even bond and prevents wrinkles. Finish by trimming any excess cork flush with a sharp X-Acto or razor, then sand with fine paper until smooth. This prevents sharp edges that wear the mouthpiece. Reinstall the mouthpiece and check fit, tuning, and response. If the mouthpiece sits too high or low, you need to remove and shave a thin slice from the cork. If you hear popping or an air leak, recheck glue coverage and seating. Uneven glue or trapped dust is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.